This is a very short tutorial on importing SWF Flash movies into KoolMoves or KoolShow. I'm going to demonstrate by importing two different SWFs. And I'm in HTML5 animation mode. I select File, Import SWF Movie. I'm selecting this movie called Paintball, which was created some time ago by my business partner. This dialog asks me where I want to put the images and sounds. I'm going to go with the default, and it's imported, and I'm going to play it, and that's what the SWF looks like. So now it's in a mode where I can edit it, and I'm going to select this arm section. I'm going to change the selection mode to all frames. So this arm section over all frames, which is all these blue dots, I'm going to change the color to that color right there. And I'm going to, I think it also extends to here. So I'm going to change all of those arm sections as well. And I'm going to play it. And this is just to illustrate that I can make changes to the movie. I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to import a second movie. I don't know where this came from. The folder where I got it was called Peterson, and it's 15 years old. It's imported, and I'm going to play it. And that's what the SWF looks like. So I've had two good imports. That's no guarantee of success for all SWFs. In fact, this is complicated to import SWFs, and much more work is required. It will import some level of AS1 action scripting, definitely not AS2 or AS3. And that's all.